Today, we're diving into something a little uncomfortable but super important. The unethical travel hacks influencers love to push on YouTube and TikTok that are, frankly, just bad news for locals. And for us as travelers too. Welcome back to Journeys of Peace. You've probably seen these how to sneak into sites without paying, secret drone shots from banned areas, how to beat the system and stay in a hotel lobby for free Wi-Fi all day. Sure, these get clicks, but they also get locals angry, and sometimes even permanently damage places for future visitors. Let's break down why these hacks aren't just shady, they're harmful. We've all been that excited tourist eager to explore, take photos, and experience a new culture. But without realizing it, we can end up being that obnoxious tourist who disrupts the local vibe. Locals have to deal with overcrowding. Ever tried grocery shopping when your town's flooded with tourists? It's miserable. Strain on resources. Small towns can't handle endless hotel showers draining their water supply. Skyrocketing costs. Tourism often pushes up housing prices, driving out the very people who give a place its soul. Then there's cultural insensitivity. Not knowing the local customs can get awkward fast. Like in some places, not taking off your shoes before entering a home is a big no-no. But hey, if no one tells you, how would you know, right? Still, influencers should be using their platforms to educate, not encourage disrespect. We've all cringed at the tourist taking a loud selfie in a sacred space, or flying a drone over a temple, where drones are definitely banned. These actions aren't just disrespectful, they can literally get the site shut down to tourists forever. I'll never forget visiting villages in Spain along the Camino de Santiago. The locals kindly asked us to remove our backpacks before entering cafes and churches. Such a small thing, but the appreciation they showed was genuine, and because we respected their customs. Then there's the environmental side. Littering, feeding wildlife, trampling off trail. It's not just thoughtless, it's destructive. These places don't just exist for our Instagram feeds. They're home to people, animals, and ecosystems. So here's the deal. If we really love to travel, let's show it by being respectful, curious, and kind. Not just to the place, but to the people who call it home. When we engage with locals, learn about customs, and respect the environment, we all win. Locals, tourists, and even the places themselves. What about you? Have you witnessed or experienced any cringe tourist moments, or even beautiful, respectful encounters while traveling? Share your stories in the comments below. I'd love to hear them. And if you want more tips on how to travel better and smarter, check out my other video. I've got you covered. Thanks for watching, and remember, travel isn't just about where you go, it's about how you go. See you in the next one. Like, comment, and subscribe.